Today we're going to be unboxing the NEEWER 77-inch tripod. This right here is the best tripod out there right now because this is a convertible tripod that can be converted from the tripod itself to monopod. So you can usually use it for everything. Let's go ahead and open the box. Over here on the back, you have the tripod itself and also some accessories inside. And this is just a quick unboxing video. Remember, the full video will be on the channel. Smash that subscribe button below. Let's go ahead and unwrap the nylon, and here you have it, the tripod itself, the NEEWER 77-inch tripod. This is really super amazing because it doesn't have the adjustable stand that you can use to adjust the tripod depending on how you want the tripod to stand. So you can be able to make that adjustment. It has the 3-step layer there that you can put it on whichever one you want to make use of. And this here, it is solid tripod, 77-inch tripod, and this is the height. You can use this to capture anything. This is really tall, 77-inch. And you can also use it to capture micro shot as well, and you can convert it from the tripod to monopod. I'm going to be making a detailed review video for it. Don't also forget to click the link to purchase the tripod from their website, and thanks to NEEWER for sending me the receipt. You can also convert it from tripod to monopod. Thank you.